to wake up to my father breaking.
Okay, so we have an African lion. It's a Roman ball candle. Shoots flaming balls. I'm gonna cut it open to collect the powder. Shoots 6 green stars that turn into silver screeching spinners. So we're gonna take it apart to collect the insides. See how it goes. So first we're gonna take the paper off. Get some sawdust on it. We're gonna collect all of that as well. Most of the sawdust is mixed with gunpowder. It is surprisingly very flammable once you have enough of it. So let's get this taken off. Okay, so with the paper taken off, and like every other firework out there, it's just a cardboard tube. I'm going to pocket the little center cap. Some more. Alright. Now, there's another cap in there. Let's pop that out. So, the first thing we have here is this. An explosive. I'm assuming this is one of the stars that would shoot out. That turns into a spinner. There's a little wick on the end that would catch. We'll keep that. Alright, now we have to get my saw and cut some of this off and see what else. So we're going to cut so far down the tube. Be careful not to get anything. Spin it around in circles you're cutting there. Crack it off. Get rid of that. Pop it. There's another cardboard cap that's in there. I've got some gunpowder. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's some gunpowder and more sawdust that we will collect. Yeah. And down in there now there is another cardboard cap, and I'm going to assume beyond this cardboard cap is another explosive cap. That's like the first one we pulled out, and there it is. Let's pour in some more gunpowder. A pair of pliers. Let's see if we can reach it. Shit, it's pretty far down there. There we go, there's another one. Pretty good. Let's keep these to one side. Let's keep continuing and see. Okay guys, I'm just taking apart my firework here. I have 6 of these in total. I have 3 that I'm going to be using for my own projects here. But I want your guys' help. I want some comments. So 3 of these, they go to whistling sparkling stars, I believe. I have 12 firecrackers. They're just little firecrackers. They spin and shoot at little sparkling stars. I have some Roman ball candle fireballs. These are little guys that I can use as well. And a few more things. I have some bottle rocket insides, the exploding whistling caps. I do have some already still together. And I believe, oh, do believe, yeah, that's it. So I want you guys to tell me what to do with these. So it's bottle rockets, 2 insides of the bottle rocket whistle. I have 3 of these whistling silver insides from a, it's almost like a, yeah, I can't even remember anymore. Insides of a Roman ball candle, sorry, and I do have some original Roman ball candle insides. 12 firecrackers. What do you guys want seen done with it? I do have a little bit of propellant here, so if it involves using propellant, it could be done. So give me some ideas in the comments below, and I'll put the video up as soon as I have at least a couple of comments there, some good ideas, and I'll put the video up. Thanks for watching.